Hello and welcome to this Advanced E-Learning Developer Series course brought to you by Discover eLearning. My name's Chris and I will be your guide as we journey through this very unique and creative course for articulate storyline professionals. This course centres around a specific visual effect which we are going to call the X-ray window effect, where as we click and drag a shape across the screen, we are seemingly able to see through a foreground image in order to view a completely separate image in the background. And because we can track the X and Y coordinate locations of the draggable X-ray window itself, this allows us to trigger actions within our slide whenever the draggable object comes into contact with a specific object or slide area. It's a very cool effect, but isn't simply possible out of the box with the tools and objects available to us to work with in Articulate Storyline. But we're going to show you how you can create the effect using some clever manipulation of the standard scrolling panel object, along with some JavaScript code that brings it all together. So if you've been looking for an opportunity to train yourself on the potential use cases of JavaScript in Articulate Storyline to create a very unique end product, then this course will provide a great opportunity for you to learn. We will start by going through a demonstration and walkthrough of the technique itself and how we can set it up simply in Articulate Storyline. During this process, we'll be writing our custom JavaScript functions, and I will explain everything that we are doing every step of the way, as well as demonstrating the end result that each part of our code produces. Once we have the technique down, we'll then go ahead and work on two completely different project ideas which utilise the technique as part of the user interaction on our slide. Starting with a vet X-ray game, which we originally shared with the Articulate eLearning Heroes community back in Easter. This game used a clever alternative view of the veterinary office and rabbit character when the scan is taking place. I'll show you how many of these images were composed in Adobe Photoshop. We'll then build a completely different type of activity using the same technique but transforming the scrolling panel into a rounded shape in order to produce this magnifying glass style look that you are seeing here. You'll also discover how we can ensure layered elements on our slide remain above the draggable object. Something not possible by default in Articulate Storyline, but you'll see how it's done with a bit of extra JavaScript magic. If you've been working in Articulate Storyline for a while and have been looking for a fresh and exciting challenge, then I think you're really going to enjoy this course.